Do you know what's in this bag? If you can tell me what's in it and you want to take ownership to it, you can go to jail too. But you got to tell me what's in this bag because I saw him holding it. Some weed, what else?
This body cam from July 11th, 2023 presents 3 distinct constitutional questions. Each warrants a focused legal analysis grounded in established Supreme Court doctrine.
Trying to get your stuff.
We'll get your stuff.
That is.
All right, well, we'll get it in a second.
Central 388. We're field 9. We're in custody with Bart.
What you got on this side of park, or this side of town? So this is your stuff?
They are also wanting to report.
Huh?
But they do not want to press charges.
Tell him this your stuff, Chief.
You want to go to jail too?
1400.
You had this and you dropped it. You was holding it, man.
That's not my stuff, dude.
Well, you was holding the book bag.
Gene, tell him that's your bro. He just said that was his stuff.
Sorry, Jabari.
Gene, so you gonna do that for her? Go ahead and tell the truth, bro. Tell him that's your stuff, Gene.
He don't want to take a jail for it.
He don't want that.
Gene, tell him that's your stuff,
man don't wanna go to
bro.
jail
Straight
for
up,
it.
Gene, bro.
Let me holler at you. Let me holler at you real quick, man. Come here. Come here.
Straight out, Gene.
What's your name?
Straight up,
Centerio?
Antonio.
Okay, look. Do you know what's in this bag? If you can tell me what's in it and you want to take ownership to it, you can go to jail too. But you got to tell me what's in this bag because I saw him holding it. Some weed, what else?
Just keep it real with him, bro. Tell him.
That's it? That's not good enough, bro.
That
ain't it.
Real, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
You want to take the rap for that? Look, you're thinking hard about it.
That his stuff, bro.
It ain't just weed in there, though. He just thinks it's weed. That ain't it.
That's his stuff, bro. He know he had in the book bag.
It's your call.
I mean, it ain't. He was carrying the book bag and dropped
know
it.
he had in the book bag, straight up.
Let me see it.
I ain't even opened up that book bag not one time. Straight up.
Wow. Ooh, I like those. Hard times. Is that a new tattoo?
Yeah.
It's fitting.
You told him the truth, James.
88 Central. I didn't.
You straight, bro. I'm gonna get my money, get you out, bro. You ain't got to worry about it. You straight. You my fault.
Back, driver side. Back, driver side.
So look, why y'all happy?
Well, you got a warrant.
A warrant for what, bro?
For,
Hey, bro, you
I think it was
always,
some
bro, you like
family violence stuff, man. What, you talking about doing my job?
No, he
You
ain't.
know it ain't nothing personal, man.
Ain't nothing about that, bro. Come on.
We get people with warrants, man. We saw you in your little pineapple head shape walking up the hill. I said, "It goes to bars. Let's get it."
Come on, bro.
What? I didn't expect to see you over here. Change the name to Riggs Life. That dude was walking. He don't want no part of it now.
Who?
Whoever y'all had, there was another dude. You got anything in your pockets, Jabbar? A little stack of money. Oh, some more weed. The same weed that's in that book bag.
Give my money that money.
Nah.
Let me see how much it was. Let me see how much.
This is my money. Gene, just give my girl that money. I think it ain't nothing up, it ain't nothing up in there. It's not, it's
Probably
just like
a
that.
little half a blunt in there.
It's not, man.
Same stuff in this pocket.
What is this? I'll take you for a user, man.
That ain't my stuff.
Oh,
It's in your pocket wrapped up with your IDs.
That ain't my stuff.
Alright.
sit right here.
Really ain't a whole lot of shade. You can sit right here in the shade if you want, man.
You gonna call my stuff? Alright.
Where's your phone at? It ain't in that pocket. It ain't in that pocket neither.
So his ID and another little bag of that stuff.
So
is in
both
that pocket.
he has two IDs then?
Yeah, he's got another ID in that pocket. Well, you want to go right here?
Where's his phone at? He can call somebody real quick, but I think we're gonna take the phone.
Ain't you got my phone?
I never got your phone. Is it in the bag? Is it in that bag?
I need to see one in that bag. What is this?
Yeah, that's your
Dude,
girl,
go
too.
ahead, take your stuff, bro. Straight up, bro. Take your charge, bro. Your stuff, G.
You want to take that? And the AirPods?
Yeah.
You saw him holding it, right? Yeah, so
He dropped the book bag, so we turned around.
Cuz, there's not
Look at young Jabars.
the young Jabars.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Weed,
He said all this.
He said the
stuff
weed's
is-
his.
The other stuff not mine, sir.
What other stuff you talking about?
None of that book bag is mine. None of them packs is mine.
No.
Straight up.
If you could show me some kind of evidence or something, man, that would say it's not. But look, man, we saw you carrying it up the hill. Even if he says it's his, man, we saw you carrying it up the hill.
Straight up, bro. Gene, you straight.
We got somebody
Teddy,
coming.
fuck you, bro.
But look,
You
dude,
already-
even if you're trying to take the rap for him, I get it. That's super
Ain't not take no
noble
rap.
of
It's
you.
not
But
no- it's
at
not
the
no
same
take
time,
no
like,
rap. He already telling you.
but I saw you with it. I saw you with it. You got the same
This
package
where we're
in
at,
your
sir.
pockets.
You're not going to jail. I don't care if you try to take the rap for it, you're not going to jail.
That's just where we're at, man. With the evidence that we got right now.
Like, you ain't got to worry about it now. I just told you. Like, you ain't got to worry
Sorry,
about
man.
it.
I know that's your boy and all, but we're not going to take you to jail just because you're trying to help your boy out.
Gene, bro,
It don't work
keep
like
real
that.
with you, bro.
Even if he's keeping it real, Jabbar's the evidence. We don't have any evidence on him. You have everything on you. You got some of these in your pocket?
Oh,
Exactly. Is that his phone in your pocket?
No.
You don't even know where your phone's at?
Can you please give him back my property, my card, my ID, my money and stuff, please?
Well, the ID, we're going to take the card. If you want to turn over to him, you can give the card to him. That's up to you. And we can... How many IDs you got, man? You got 4 IDs.
Cause I got, when they asked me why, I got to show them my ID.
You don't got to show them 4.
And I
Who
got
is this?
My cousin property. This the one y'all got last time. I showed y'all.
If you want to give them those, we're going to take these
and
2
that's
just
my
to show
ID
that...
right there too. It's 3 on them. No, it's
All right, so look.
one more. And there's one
Jabbar,
more.
this was the one that was in the other pocket.
Can you please
Another
give my
Jabbar.
property,
You can have him now. He can't get the back,
No, I'm
Jabbar.
saying my money, sir.
He can have this. How much money was
sir.
it?
How much money was it?
I talked to you about it.
Okay. You got a cigarette on you or anything?
Go buy me a cigarette.
I got one in the car you can
Oh,
have.
yeah, can you please grab?
You got him for a second?
Yeah.
Hey, Jabars, what about this? I know. You want to take it with you?
Yeah. Comes to Rolling Reed. Hi. What's your 20?
Can you please give me my property, please?
I don't know what property you're
I'm
talking about.
my money. You said you.
He wanted to talk to me about something, so we'll see what.
Y'all, whatever y'all.
So there's an intent to distribute charge to be made
Sure.
with the amount of marijuana and the packaging and all that, and a scale, the amount of pills.
That's not my property, so y'all can't say I'm intentionally nothing. If that's not my property, sir.
But it may not be, but man, we work off of probable cause, and there is enough probable cause to say that it is. The money was in your pocket. Same with the bag, the same bags that are in that book bag that you were holding. These are for people that are going to jail, man, that are being cool with me. Jabbar didn't even make his run today.
I ain't got nothing to run for y'all folk.
You sure as hell didn't think that last
I'm
time.
not running for y'all for nothing. And last time, I ain't even run for you. I ain't even know who the f- you are. Y'all folk getting out of normal shit, bro. Come on, bro.
There's a clue right there.
But y'all out doing it, jumping out of normal.
Saw a police car coming right now. You wouldn't
I'm
turn
not
the
gonna
other
run
way?
from nobody. I'm standing right here, bro. Straight up.
All
Bro.
right.
It's I'm running from nobody. No,
Yeah,
bro.
did it right.
Straight up.
You doing
Tripping,
wrong.
bro. I ain't did.
But you got a warrant though.
I'm saying though, like what for what?
It's
my
like-
line, for my line, mom.
Maybe, dude. I don't know. All we know is that a judge found probable cause to sign a warrant on you. I don't know nothing about the case.
Y'all ain't got his phone.
No,
His
it ain't
phone,
my
no.
You left it. Wanna go grab it? Would you like it in?
I left it in the car. I done. I'm stupid as I'm stupid as
33.
Whose car is it? Somebody lives over here?
I was just right.
Oh.
Yeah, change all my everything. All my I clocked that work.
What you worried about?
I ain't worried about that. I'm just saying, y'all just being too nosy.
Nosy.
I'm saying I got the right to talk to my cousin if I want to in person.
Well, but you're under arrest, man. You're in custody right now. We're being cool, letting you smoke a cigarette.
Y'all already got me in handcuffs.
I know.
Come on, so like.
But we can't just walk away and what happens if you run and fall and get hurt? That's on us. That's liability.
I ain't got nothing to run from.
Well, I'm just saying you're in custody, so if you get hurt, that's going to fall back on us. Remember last time you started having a little panic attack or whatever, so we had to call an ambulance up there and go through all that. We're going to take care of you if you're in custody, man. So if you want to chop it up with your boy while we're standing here, that's all fine.
Jim, when we go to court, just show up at court. Tell the judge that you already know. Can I please get another cigarette?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, why every time y'all jump out on me, y'all got to...
What?
Like I'm a fugitive.
Well, you got a warrant. You're wanted.
I'm not no fugitive though. Like,
so look, man.
Y'all ride around like I'm just a big out here. I'm look.
I think you're giving yourself too much credit, man. You're giving yourself too much credit. We was riding around and we happened to see you.
Look how y'all jumping out, bro.
But
come on, bro. These folks, they're not grabbing no type of roadway, no nothing.
I don't think you got anything to complain about, man. You got a warrant. We picked you up on your warrant. You didn't get no guns pointed at you. You didn't get tossed on the ground. You're getting cigarettes. We're being more than cool with you. More than most police.
Y'all not man. Y'all ain't being right. But what's right?
So tell me what we're doing wrong.
Because.
So you wouldn't be moaning if she got out and got you, right? Why? What's the difference?
Pretty. I would have let her too.
I'm pretty.
I would have let her. She pretty.
I've been out a few times.
I'm saying though. Like, bro.
We were riding around and we happened to see you. It ain't like we're hunting you down looking for you wasting time.
I'm telling you, this ain't my possession.
But you are in possession of it. That's a hard argument to make.
But I'm not the only one in possession.
It's not. But it's not just ownership though. It's you're holding it.
I wasn't holding nothing when you grabbed it.
You dropped it when we walked up.
But I'm saying I was not holding nothing.
Okay. Well, you had in your pocket, right?
Man.
And whatever else was in that other bag. So don't say that wasn't yours either. You still got that cigarette? Well, hit it.
So wait, you gonna let?
What you want to do with that cash? You want to get it booked in with you, or you want to give it to your partner here?
Look.
All right. When he's done with that cigarette, he's good to go.
Okay.
Sorry.
Man, boy, I knew I should have turned down the deal, bro. Man, stupid, man. I'm stupid and calm, but I would have been.
Alright, bro. You
I'm on no shit right now, boy. I'm on one, bro.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, an adult now.
You're talking about being on a jet. How you gonna be on a jet? I've heard your music. It ain't from that.
Y'all got a pen? You got a pen?
Do you want a piece of paper?
Yeah.
I didn't see anybody jumping into the roadway between King Avenue and the call location.
I'll write it down.
You want me to ride it, dude? You're struggling.
He's good.
How much was it?
It's like 100 something, like $200 for it. I just separated it out, took pictures of it.
See, now you're giving yourself too much credit. We're not that interested.
It ain't no credit. I just got my personal right. I got my this my personal business.
All right, Jabars. Time to rock and roll.
Did you tell them that we were out with the junior? Not the senior?
Senior's in jail.
Oh, they were asking if you out with junior or
My
senior.
daddy.
Senior.
Y'all gonna put me in the same room with my daddy? Like
We don't have any. We don't have any
Y'all
say on
did
that.
it last time. They just show how the system is though. Oh, y'all put me in the room with my daddy and my uncle.
How's that up?
They
You don't want to be in there?
Nah, I
Then
ain't
tell them
saying
you don't
that.
want
I'm
to.
just saying they just show how the system is, bro. I'm for real. They up, bro. I think I want to see my daddy incarcerated while I'm incarcerated. No. Come on, bro. Come on.
Hello.
What's up? Hey,
Up, bro.
are you straight, bro?
Man, I'm straight, bro. These folks trying to pick me up on some bullshit. Talking about some goddamn. What y'all trying to charge me with?
You had a warrant for like domestic stuff. It was like
Fine, man.
Yeah, that's a violent bullshit.
it was something with his mom, I
These
guess.
folks
I don't know.
jumping out.
You gotta stop hitting your mom.
I ain't took my mom out one time now.
I've been on
Man,
3
man,
domestic
the
calls
only,
with you.
the only thing me and my mom do is argue. I'm gonna keep real. My mom so low down, she'll call the police and lie. That's all she do.
Well, you're 18, man. You need to move out there and stay away from her.
I know, and I did, but
If that's what's getting you in trouble, you just need to stay away.
She still filed. She still filed for me, get taxed for me, do a lot of stuff for me.
Well, she can now that you're 18 if you don't
I
live there.
go through her at some point. So like, come on.
You still with that girl you were seeing a year ago?
What girl y'all was seeing a year ago?
You were staying at her place.
Only place I was
Wasn't like Winder or something.
The only place I was staying with was my sister-in-law. I wasn't staying with no girl.
You ready to go? No, let's go.
This shit sleeping. Oh, me.
I'm going to my car. This side.
Wow. Hell, bro.
Just put your tummy right here. I said your tummy.
You get 5 minutes. Yeah.
5 minutes of what? Airplane?
Hotel, Golf,
Airplane.
Charlie,
Oh,
3,
with air.
Alpha,
Sure.
50, Juliet, Hotel.
You'd rather be in the heat than.
So do I got a bond or what? Can y'all tell me about
You likely don't have a bond. It's probably gonna be a no.
So when is I'm being booked?
All right, pop the squat.
Can y'all call my mom real quick for me?
Your mom?
Yeah.
For what?
I need to talk to you.
I'll see if they'll talk to her. If anything, you get a phone call in the jail. It ain't gonna change the outcome right now, but you do get a phone call.
We ain't got time to be going no jail.
Well, stop getting in trouble.
Let me talk to my mom, bro. Straight up.
Not right now.
I'll please talk to my mom.
Not right now. If you have a seat, I'll talk with the dude over there about getting you a phone call.
Man, tell him to come over here, bro. Like, bro, okay, bro. No.
All right, sit down. Come on. Pop a squat.
Can y'all please keep? My 5 minutes still ain't up.
It definitely been up.
Bro, can you please call my mom, bro? Straight up.
It's not gonna be me who does it. It would be. He wants you to call his mom. All right.
So it's been sent to the jail. You might have to print it off when you get there. Jabbar should be in charge of possession with intent for marijuana, methamphetamine, and MDMA.
Shush. All right, pop a squat.
If you don't mind sending it up for approval.
What MDNA is? What that is?
It's little pills. I can talk to you more about it, but I had to read your Miranda rights.
Like I just said, bro.
The most serious issue is the Fifth Amendment Miranda question, raised by Miranda versus Arizona. 1966. Miranda requires advisement before custodial interrogation, not before arrest. But before questioning likely to incriminate, custody is assessed under Berkemer versus McCarty. 1984. Would a reasonable person feel free to leave? Here, both subjects were plainly not free to leave from first contact. Custody attached immediately. Interrogation is not limited to express questions. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, it includes their functional equivalent. Any words or actions reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response qualify as interrogation. The officer's express question about the contents of the bag is textbook interrogation. It was posed in custody. No Miranda warning preceded it. The Miranda advisement was first referenced approximately 17 minutes later. Statements obtained in that interval are presumptively inadmissible in the prosecution's case in chief. Physical evidence recovered from the abandoned bag remains admissible regardless. Wong Sun versus United States. 1963. Limits fruit of the poisonous tree to evidence derived from the violation. Statements alone not contraband independently recovered are the typical Miranda casualties. Two doctrines further complicate suppression. Harris versus New York. 1971. permits the use of suppressed statements for impeachment at trial. Oregon versus Elstad, 1985, addresses whether a post-warning statement is tainted by a pre-warning one. Elstad held that an initial Miranda lapse does not automatically poison a later, properly warned statement. Missouri versus Cyber, 2004, narrowed Elstad where officers use a deliberate two-step strategy. Suppression here will turn on whether the pre-warning questioning was deliberate or merely careless. Burgess versus Tompkins, 2010, clarified that silence alone does not invoke the right to remain silent. Invocation must be unambiguous. Davis versus United States, 1994, applied this rule to the right to counsel. Once counsel is invoked. Edwards versus Arizona, 1981, bars further police-initiated interrogation. New York versus Quarles, 1984, permits a narrow public safety exception not implicated here. The Fourth Amendment analysis is more favorable to the officers. Arrest pursuant to a facially valid judicial warrant is presumptively reasonable. The officer may rely on the warrant without independently assessing its underlying probable cause. A full search of the arrestee's person is permitted under United States versus Robinson, 1973. Recovery of contraband, identification, and currency from pockets falls squarely within Robinson. Chimel versus California, 1969, limits the scope to the person and grabbable area. The dropped backpack raises a separate question, governed by abandonment doctrine. California versus Hodari D, 1991, holds that abandoned property carries no Fourth Amendment protection. Officers stacked warrant, search incident to arrest, and abandonment 3 independent doctrines. That redundancy makes the physical evidence here highly defensible against suppression. The substantive charge turns on constructive possession doctrine. Possession does not require ownership. It requires knowledge and the ability to exercise dominion and control. Maryland versus Pringle, 2003, addressed joint possession scenario. Probable cause rests on the totality of circumstances, not on any single party's account. A friend's voluntary claim of ownership does not transfer criminal liability. Officers correctly applied Pringle by declining to charge the companion on a self-serving statement alone. Use of force is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, 1989. The standard is objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Factors include severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance or flight. Handcuffing a compliant subject pursuant to a valid warrant satisfies all 3 factors comfortably. No weapons were drawn. No takedown occurred. Force calibration was appropriate. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel under Messiah versus United States, 1964, attaches at formal charge. Pre-charge. Officers should anticipate that informal dialogue may still be replayed at trial.
If he just said this, like, bro, why is he in trial?
Got what we got. Fair fight in the courts, boys.
Our folks just want to try me.
All right, come on, have a seat.
He call my mom.
We'll call your mom on the way.
Oh, bro, you just got y'all got out of phone. Y'all got out of the car with 2 phones.
Boys, get in there.
Come on, have a seat. We'll call her. If you sit down, we'll call her.
Okay, I sit down, but I'm not.
Sit down and like get in.
30. Like, come on, bro.
Okay, I had 2
Boys,
puppies
get
back
in the
there.
car.
Sir, it's 30.
Well, I don't worry about that.
Other side.
Get in the car.
Get the car. Look, it's 30. I got a white t-shirt. Come on.
Yo, I'm not calling your mom right now. No.
So what you gonna do it?
What, call your mom? Oh, come on. I didn't say I was going to do it for you. You said it. Your boys, put your feet in before you break. I'm saying, put your feet in.
My 5 minutes.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about. Put your feet in.
Like 5 minutes in air. Like, come on.
All right, come on.
You could have been doing that in 10 minutes. I was letting you do that. It's time to go. You've been out here for like 30 minutes.
Oh, thank God.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Alrighty. Please don't break my car or nothing. I'm trying to be nice to you. Get comfy. You smiling in your picture. In your booking photo? You just smiling. How old am I? I'm 24.
You got kids?
No kids. And all the kids we've got to deal with, I don't want kids.
How about your boyfriend?
Nah. Not anymore.
I'm about to be your friend.
You want to be my friend? You gonna start acting right?
Central 473374.
Man, if you can start acting right, we could be friends. You gotta get your together, though. If you start acting right, we could be friends, but you've been doing too much. Last time I got with you, you ran.
Welcome to Clark County Jail.
Yeah.
Yeah, how I was waiting to come here. I ain't gonna lie, I was waiting to get that one over with.
Yeah, it's a treat
I
in
ain't
here.
just gonna lie, bro. Like with my mom for real. My mom just crazy. She bipolar. She do stuff like that. I already know when I go in front of the judge gonna read all the old cases and be like, I don't even want to talk. I already know.
He wants to be friends.
Yeah.
That's fine. Maybe once you're like out of here.
Oh, you from somewhere?
What? Been a minute. Been here before.
You brought me here before.
Me?
Yeah, last time.
For what?
You remember when y'all checked me through the neighborhood and stuff? For no reason. No, you didn't check me. Same people who called her to come get me checked me.
Bye.
Why they jump out on me like this? Like,
There's a jump out
I'm
boys.
saying no, like, bro, I ain't committed no, like, harsh
We've been
crime.
dealing with you for years.
But I'm saying though, even that officer right there even know no more. You know,
We all know you.
y'all know me, y'all know about me, y'all know what y'all read on the white and black.
I've been out with you.
Y'all really don't know me. Y'all don't know what I go through every day. Y'all don't know how much I change. Y'all don't know what I accomplish. Y'all don't know nothing. So y'all don't know me. Y'all just know about me. Y'all know what I read, just like I don't know about you.
God knows what's in the reports.
I don't know you. I can sit right here and read this all day and say I know you, but I don't know you. Just like you thought, I bet you thought I was gonna let up on y'all when you first came, Mr. Brown, this, that, aggressive. No, Mr. Not aggressive.
Alright,
So,
stop running.
You thought I was
Good
gonna run too.
Good thing you did.
No, I ain't got nothing to run from.
So why are you here right now?
Because lives on here, because some lives with my mom. We go through this every time. We for real, that's why I got taken out of the house. Like, we go through this every time. They don't never fail. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm bet I was just moving out of state by myself.
I think you should do that.
You'll give me most trouble for somebody you love though.
Mm-hmm.
What you locked up for?
Probation violation. Technicality.
You said what?
A technicality.
Yeah, felony.
For felony probation.
Ain't you finna get a bond? You finna get
Hell
out?
no. I have a whole broke leg. My whole leg is, my tibia is broken 4 different places.
So I'm saying, you finna get a bond?
What? Who?
On my life, and it's mine. I know, right?
Kimberly, you keep changing.
I gained some weight.
You gained some. You're looking a lot better. You were like a stick.
Yeah, I got the bottle of water. I was like, sorry, good job.
You getting thick, girl. Triple Steve.
Professional conduct standards are not constitutional but are enforceable through department policy and post-oversight. Comments by the female officer toward an arrestee fall outside neutral. Professional communication. Prosecutors increasingly designate body camera audio as Brady and Giglio material discoverable for impeachment. Under Section 1983 of Title 42, plaintiffs may sue for constitutional violations under color of law. Qualified immunity will shield officers unless the right violated was clearly established at the time. On the legal record, the primary arresting officer earns a C+. Articulation of probable cause was clear. Miranda discipline was deficient. The second officer earns a D+, based primarily on documented professional conduct lapses. The 18-year-old subject earns a C-. No resistance. No flight. But no invocation either. He spoke when silence would have shifted the entire evidentiary burden onto the prosecution. The cooperating friend earns a C. His attempt to assume liability was loyal but legally counterproductive. The unidentified department earns a provisional C- on the footage alone. Pattern or practice review is reserved for systemic departmental conduct, not isolated incidents. Several lessons emerge from this footage that apply broadly. First, for officers. Miranda is a sequence, not a formality. Custody plus interrogation requires warnings, not custody plus arrival at the booking desk. Second, the body camera microphone records everything. Casual remarks become trial exhibits. Third, for civilians. Invocation of rights is verbal and unambiguous. State clearly, I am invoking my right to silence and I want a lawyer. Fourth, anything said can be used. Anything not said cannot. Fifth, taking responsibility for another person's contraband adds defendants, it does not subtract them. Sixth, dignity in custody is a two-way standard. It protects the prosecution as much as the accused. Seventh, body camera audio is evidence in every direction for and against everyone in frame. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. For more police interaction and courtroom content,